Beautifully renovated and furnished beachside home, it is the perfect place to spend the winter months. Open floor plan, all tile flooring, plenty of space to spread out in, and a gorgeous kitchen with a big island and wine bar which is perfect for entertaining family or friends. REL AX poolside, have your morning coffee on the covered patio or sit fireside and take in the ocean breeze. Enjoy the sunrises at the beach and the sunsets from the river. Close to parks, tennis courts, restaurants and shopping. This is a true gem,